show in this video how to fix cannot add account, mail and calendar app, and the error code you get on the screen is 0x80070490 in your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your adding account, mail and calendar app, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on the settings. Click on the apps and click on the apps and features. You can see your app list. Then click on the search box. Then find here mail and calendar. You can see here mail and calendar. Just click on this three dot, click on advanced option, scroll down a little bit. You can see here repair and reset. Just click on the reset, click on reset. After resetting, check whether it is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then try to uninstall and reinstall it from here. After that, just close this window. Click on start menu. Then search for Microsoft Store. You can see here Microsoft Store. Click on that. Just click on this sign in icon. Click on app setting. You can see here app update. If this option is disabled, you just need to enable this option. After that, click on the apps. Then close this window. Again click on the Microsoft Store. Then search for mail and calendar. And share mail and calendar. Just click on that. If any update is available for this mail and calendar, then you can update it from here. After doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix cannot add account, mail and calendar app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.